Assalamu alaikum, my dear precious, valuable listener. I hope you are doing well. Today, I want to explain Jollyphonics Group 1. The first letter, first sound of Jollyphonics Group 1 is. The letter is S and the sound is S. You check the sound in different words like sun, sand, spot, snake. Okay, my dear kids, what's the next? It's a segment of picture description. What you can see in that pictures, my dear kids? There is a boy, a dog. You check the path. It's a dangerous path with different insects. It's a river or lake, and there's a beautiful flower also. But there is also a dangerous creation like bees, like snake. It's a big spotted snake. And also a sunny day because you check the sun, which is yellow in color. Also a butterfly you can see in that picture. Okay, my dear kids, you check the dog face. It is horrible. You check it. Okay, what's the next? Okay, we check in our story. What's the story behind this picture? The weather was very pleasant. Asad was walking along the dangerous path. My dear kid, you check the path. It's very dangerous. You check here. It's not a safe path because there's different creation insects and the path is also dangerous. Like these are stones, river, and you check there is also a flower and grass, but the path is not straight. There was many insects. Suddenly, ah, snake came. You check a big spotted red and black snake in front of the boy. Asad and his dog were horrified to see him. Okay, my dear kids, it's a good way to move to choose this type of path. No, we should not go to that dangerous place and stay away from insects. My dear kids, it's a good habit to leave home or you choose this type of path without your parents. No, whenever you want to go outside, you must take permission from your parents and never choose this type of path which is dangerous for you and your animals or pets also. My dear kids, insects are not bad. Insects, in fact, it's a all creature of Allah. We never say it is bad. It is not a good in shape or face. We never say because every every creature have benefit and it is creation of Allah. So we never to use this type of languages. Okay, what's the next? Yes, my dear kids, it's a favorite segment. The song, the poem behind the letter and sound, letter S and the sound S. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. S, s, the snake is in the grass. Okay, and what's the action behind this sound? Wave hand in a shape like your hand is like a snake. You pretend your hand like a snake, and you move your hand and arm like in a in a S shape. Okay, thank you so much for my thank you so much, my dear kids, for today's video. Inshallah, we'll meet on tomorrow with next sound, next letter. Take care. Allah Hafiz.